Hi, and welcome to another Radan technical video. This tech video looks at the option to import 3D files into Radan using drag and drop. A simple way to import 3D models into Radan from other CAD/CAM systems is to drag and drop the file onto the Radan application window. The following 3D file formats are supported for importing into Radan files: the Creo Parametric, Parasolid, Inventor, CATIA V4 and V5, SolidWorks, Solid Edge, and Unigraphics formats all need additional licensing. The process to import these files is very simple, as it's just a matter of dragging the 3D model file onto the Radan screen and selecting the material type for the part from the Select Default Material dialog. The part will be imported into the current assembly using the current workspace and import options for healing, units, scale, and thickness calculation. There are two combinations of 3D translators available depending on your requirements. Translator licenses can float between users, which means these translators can be shared between Radan users and don't have to be dedicated to an individual Radan user. All 3D translators require the Radan 3D module, which is supplied with the STEP, ASYS SAT, and IGES format translators. In summary, we've seen that in addition to the traditional methods for importing 3D models from other systems into Radan, we can also drag and drop files into Radan. Thanks for watching this tech video, and stay tuned for more videos from the Radan Resource newsletter, and check out other Radan tech videos in the Videos Clips section of the Vero Customer Support portal. Thanks for watching.